Hey all, welcome back to the Spirit Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here with a haul video which is from my favorite brand, which is Body Shop, and there was a great deal going on, like 50% off and 30% off on all the complete store. So I picked up a couple of my favorite products which were in offer, and I got all these products in this box. I really appreciate the packaging of Body Shop because everything I picked up is already packed so concisely, so properly in this box, and I have not opened completely what is in there. Everything is packed. I'm just removing these, and they've packed everything very beautifully. Whichever is bottles, I think they've wrapped up, and then the remaining is here. Most of these are 50% off, and couple of them are 30%, I guess. I actually ran out of body washes and body lotion. Body lotion I have couple of them, but I thought I'll restock when there is 50% off for the rest of the year. These Body Shop's best part is the expiry is not so soon. I mean, if you buy even in offers, the expiry still has couple of years from the time you order it, so you can store them and use it later at point of time. So the first one I see, I've not opened it, as I said. I don't remember what all I ordered. I know there are a couple of body washes I ordered. Oh yeah, wow, I love this. So this is a Fuji green tea body mist. I already have one. I have very little left in. I really love this. This was in 50% off. I was so surprised. It's around $12.95, but it was around 600 rupees, I think. And I really love this fragrance. It's so nice. I mean, if you love something which is very simple, not that too much fresh, this is something you really have to try on. I'm a floral lover, but I really love this fragrance. It's not floral, it's very very fresh, green tea, summery, very fresh. So yeah, I really love that to wear in summer, and I've got so many compliments when I use this in my work. Also, many people ask me what is that you're wearing, so I really like that. Oh, it's again green tea range. So this is a Fuji green tea body gel, body lotion, which is replenishing gel lotion. This is something, again, the complete green tea body range from Body Shop is awesome. My sister loves it. I really love that. So got in 50% off. It was $575. I only paid like 200 and something for Body Shop product, which is great, and it smells great. Yeah, it smells the same. Like if you if you use a body wash and then use this one and then the mist, you are done. I still smell that. I really love that. So this is the body lotion, and I think I have another body lotion, one for me, one for my sister. So yeah, I got two. So yeah, I have two body lotions. I really love this fragrance. You must definitely try it if you are sensitive to smells and you don't like that too much smells. So that's a good thing. You can try this range. And then I have this British Rose soap. I picked it to get some free product. Yeah, so this is the rose soap. So picked up their Fuji green tea body butter. This is the lotion and this is the butter. I love both of them. Lotion is like lotiony type, but when it is too much colder, I prefer body butter more because it stays on for longer period of time. Body lotion also stays on, but again, compared to body lotion, you don't have to reapply if you use the body butter. I really love the fragrance. It's the same fragrance. It's little more stronger in terms of fragrance. Again, this was in 50% off. It looks like surprise to me. I don't know, I love surprises. So I got this. I think I picked up all green tea range. This is a green tea purifying shampoo. I've never tried their hair care range, but I've heard this range is good, but it was a little expensive. But I think when it was offer, I picked up. So this is refreshingly purifying shampoo for normal hair. It smells nice. So I think there was a hair scrub also. It was out of stock. I couldn't get that. And okay, I have another body wash which I love. There is a Satsuma shower gel. I actually have this plaster, so it doesn't leak, and you can open it before you use. This smells so nice. It's citrusy. This smells so nice. I like the scrub of this Satsuma range. I think this was in 50%, so I picked up this body wash. And the next thing is my favorite fragrance from Body Shop, that is gardenia. So yeah, it's the box is little smashed up, but it's in English. Dawn Gardenia EDT Eau de Toilette, which is 50 ml. The which was in 50% off. I was so happy that I could get my hands. It's like so affordable in 50%, trust me. And this smells so nice. I already have one. I got backup, and this is my first ever fragrance which I got as backup, so you can understand how much I love this fragrance. It makes me feel so nice in middle of some, you know, flow garden with all, you know, lily gardenias and all. It's so nice. It smells so nice. So nice. It has that lily scent. I don't know how truly gardenia smells because I've never sniffed it, that flower, but it's so nice. It smells so nice. Does it means lily? No, I think gardenia is another flower, but yeah, it's so nice. It smells so good. It also has a body mist. I already have a body mist and fragrance, both of them, but I thought it's in a great offer, so I picked up this one. It smells so good. And the last thing I picked up is my favorite of Body Shop, and oh my god, I think I already mentioned this. Hold your breath. I love this baby. It's so nice. I love it. And this is a cocoa cream. It's been so many years I've not tried the cocoa cream. I love the fragrance of it, I love the feel of it, and trust me, it's little expensive, but it's an offer and you don't miss the offer in this. It's this spa of the world range from Body Shop, and everything from this range I've tried. I really love that. This is a Hawaiian cocoa cream. This is a huge tub of body butter, and trust me when I say huge, it's really huge. So it's a huge, there is no dent in it, so it's completely, oh my god, it smells exactly like I remember of it. So trust me, after I have been using this in 2015, it will love this cream, and it's so nice. You just need very little, and you get this for at least, you can use this for 1 complete year if you are using it spacely, or at least every day if you use it, you can use it for around 6 to 7 months. It's so worth it, and it's so nice. It makes your skin so nice, so nourishing. Everything you want ever in a body cream is something in this, so it's so nice, trust me. So yeah, with that I complete my Body Shop haul, and I picked up everything which I loved in this sale, and I was so happy that they have sale on everything I love. So yeah, these two are my favorite picks, and if you ask me, please try this Spa of the Range Cocoa Cream, you will love it. And yeah, I really like this body wash also. So yeah, I really love that. That's a great tower. But yeah, so these are all the things I picked up from Body Shop. This tiny hand cream is free, which is the hemp hand cream, which is a tiny set. All I had in Body Shop. Like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Be safe. Bye bye.